Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. In this video, we'll discuss some of the important questions on arithmetic progressions and we are at the part 2. Now, in the first part, we have solved 7 questions, right? Now we'll start from 8 question onwards. Keep on following this playlist so that you feel complete chapter and you get to know about much more questions. All right, the 8th question is like this. Anil saved 5 rupees in the first week first week of a year first week of a year and then increased his weekly saving by 1.75 rupees. All right, if in nth week the weekly saving has become 20.75 rupees 25.75 rupees, find n find the value of n. All right, now try to understand this. Now in the first week, how much Anil has saved? 5 rupees. Then he increased his weekly saving by 1.75. All right, so first is like 5 means next will be 1.75 increase means it becomes 6.75. Again 1.75 is increased, it keeps on going, and he found out that after some weeks in the nth week, all right, in the nth week his saving has become 20.75. now there this is first week and this is the second week, right, and this is the nth week, correct? No, so we can call it as a1, then a2, a3, like that it can go up to an, right? Now we want to find out the value of n. That's it. It's quite simple, no? So a is equal to 5 and d is equal to 6.75 minus 5, and that is 1.75. all right, then we have value of an is equal to how much is there? 20.75. all right, 20.75, and an means what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d, and that is equal to 20.75. all right, so what is the value of a is 5 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? 1.75, and that is equal to 20.75. all right, then moving forward it becomes 5 plus n into 1.75 is 1.75 n minus minus 1 into 1.75 is minus 1.75, and that is equal to 20.75. all right, now if you do 5 minus 1.75, how much it becomes? It becomes 3.25. just have a look into this calculation, then you will get to know. Plus 1.75 n is equal to 20.75. all right, now we are going to have 1.75 n is equal to 20.75 minus 3.25. all right, so 1.75 n is equal to now how much it becomes? 75 and 25. 0.75 and 0.25 means 0.5 will remain, and 20 minus 3 is like 17. all right, so it becomes n is equal to 17.5 divided by 1.75. all right, so into 10, right? 1.75 ones are 1.75 tens are, otherwise you can do it like this also. 17.5 can be written as 175 by 10, then divided by 1.75 can be written as 175 divided by 100. all right, otherwise you can cancel here also, ones are tens are, like this also you can do. Otherwise if you are not comfortable with these steps, you can take help of these fractions. 175 divided by 10 into 100 divided by 175. 175 cancelled, and 0 got cancelled, so the value of n is going to be 10. all right, so this was quite a simple question. The only thing is that you should be well versed with these calculations. Then let's move on to the 9th question. Let us have a look at this 9th question. How many terms of AP 24 comma 21 comma 18 comma dot 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 must be taken so that sum is 78. All right, how many terms we have to take, they are asking. So value of n, so a is equal to what is there, 24, and d is equal to, you can write 21 minus 24, and that is equal to minus 3. All right, now they have given Sn is equal to 78, sum of n terms. Now they are asking how many terms we have to take. All right, so now let us apply this formula. Sn is equal to what is there, 78 is there, that is known. What is the value of Sn? Sn is going to be n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All right, and that is equal to 78. Correct? No, this is what the logic is, right? So from this you have to calculate the value of this n. All right, I think we are going to get a quadratic equation here, then we are going to solve that. All right, then it becomes n by 2 bracket 2 into a means what is the value of a is 24. All right, just substitute that, 24 plus n minus 1 into what is the value of d is minus 3. Okay, and that is equal to 78. We'll keep the n value here only, and we'll send this to that side. So other things will be inside only. 2 into 24 is 48. All right, n into minus 3 is minus 3n, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. All right, and that is equal to 78 into 2. I hope it is getting clear. Now it becomes n bracket 48 plus 3 is 51, then minus 3n is equal to, it becomes 2 8s are 16, 1 is a carry, 2 7s are 14 and 15. All right, so it becomes 51n minus 3n square is equal to 156. Now I am going to send all these things that side, so everything becomes plus. So that is like a 150, not plus, I mean the sign will get changed. 156 minus 51n plus 3n square is equal to 0, right? Now let us write it in the standard form. That becomes 3n square minus 51n then plus 156 is equal to 0. Now I think we can take 3 common here, 3 bracket then n square minus, I think 17 3s are 51, right? So 17n then plus 3 5s are and 3 2s are. All right, so that is equal to 0. Now I am going to take this 3 that side, that becomes n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0 by 3. 0 by 3 is nothing but 0. So I am going to get it as n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. Now here we are going to split the middle term. 1 is there, 1 into 52 means 52. What are the factors of 52? The factors of 52 are 1, 2, and I think 4, then 6 won't come, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 11 won't come, 12, 13 will come. Okay, so we got these numbers. Look at this 3 and 4 and 13. So if you do n square minus 4n then minus 13n, so it is going to be minus 17n, and minus 4 into minus 13, look at this, minus 4 minus 13 is like minus 17, and minus 4 into minus 13 is going to be 52. This is quite a simple case, no? So it becomes plus 52 is equal to 0. How to split these middle terms, you should be having idea. Now let us take common here among these two terms. N will be taken common, no? N bracket n minus 4, and here also n minus 4 will be there, and adjust this, that is minus 13, and that is equal to 0. All right, so it becomes n minus 13 into n minus 4 is equal to 0. All right, so that is like n minus 13 is equal to 0, or n minus 4 is equal to 0. All right, so then I will have n is equal to 13 or n is equal to 4. Okay, two answers I am getting. So what was the AP? Let us have a look at that AP. So what is this AP? 24, 21, 18, right? So 24, okay, 21, 18, it keeps on going. All right, what is the next term? Please tell me. 3 is getting reduced, no? That is like 15. And next, what is value of next one? So next is going to be 12, then 9. So something like this. Now, even though if you take four terms or so, you just look at these four terms. If you just add them, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 1 is the carry. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, then 5, 7, 78. So, this answer is right. So, n is equal to 4, this is also right. And how about 13 terms? Look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after this, what will come here? 3 is getting reduced, no? 6 will come, 3 will come, 0 will come. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then after that, what kind of numbers will be coming here? Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. So there is a possibility that if you add all of these, all right, then afterwards, if you add these also, then there is a chance that you will get 78 there also. Look at this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and another one 13. So in this, if you are adding, what will happen here? Tell me. So this 12 and 12, it will get cancelled. 9 and minus 9 get cancelled. 6 and minus 6, 3 and minus 3, everything will get cancelled. Ultimately, I am remaining with 4 terms only. All right. So that's why both the answers are correct here. So if you add these four terms, then also you are going to look at this. If you add these four terms, no, starting four terms of the AP, you are going to get 78. Now these are the starting 13 terms. Look at this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. If you add these, no, then also the sum is going to be 78 only. So that's why n is equal to 13 and n equal to 4, both are the right answers. All right, I told you this 12 and this minus 12 will get cancelled. 9 and minus 9 will get cancelled. 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled. 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. And anyway 0 is, if you add 0, nothing will happen. Their numbers will remain same. Look at this. So this will add up to 78. I just gave you example here, okay? No need to mention these things in the examination. You can just write the value here. Therefore, sum of starting four terms or 13 terms gives us a sum of 78. All right, I hope this scenario is quite clear to you. All right, then moving on to the 10th question. Let us have a look at this 10th question. The first term, okay, 10th question is like this. The first term of an AP is 5, and the last term is 45. If total sum is 400, find the number of terms present, and also find common difference. Okay, so these kind of questions are quite common in your board exams and all. Now first term of the AP is 5, so that is like A is equal to 5. All right, and the last term is 45. Last term means usually we call it as AN, or we can call it as L also, so that is equal to 45. All right, the total sum is 400. Let us assume n terms are there, so Sn is equal to what is there? 400 is there. Find the number of terms. Number of terms means n is equal to question mark. All right, and also find the common difference. D is equal to question mark. All these things are being asked. Now look at this. Sn is equal to, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket. Now here last term is given. So instead of using 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we can use a plus l, no? Last term is given. All right, so easily we can get the answer here. Sn means 400, and that is equal to n by 2 bracket a. What is the value of a? A is 5 plus last term, what is that? 45. So 5 plus 45. All right, so it becomes 400 is equal to n by 2 bracket 5 plus 45 is 50, right? Then afterwards I'm going to have it as 400 is equal to 2 ones are 225, it becomes 25n. All right, so n is equal to, what is that? 400 divided by 25. So 25 ones are 25 eights are. So how many terms are there? Tell me. So total number of terms is 8. There are 8 terms. All right, so that total number of terms is done, but also find the common difference they are asking. Okay, so how to find the common difference? We know the last term For last term we call it as an also. So what is the value of an? 45. Correct, no? Now what is the formula for an? An is like a plus n minus 1 into d, and that is equal to 45. Alright, so we know the value of a. What is the value of a? 5, right? So that is already written in the given data. You should be having idea about this. 5 plus n means how many terms are there? 8 terms are there. That also we calculated. 8 minus 1 into d, and that is equal to 45. Now easily you can find it out. That is 5 plus 8 into d, otherwise 8 minus 1 is 7. 7d is equal to 45. Then I am going to get it as 7d is equal to 45 minus 5. So that's why d is going to be 40 divided by 7. So this is the value of common difference. Alright, let's have a look into this. Nth term is 45. I mean last term they have given here. Look at this last term they have already mentioned. So I'm going to take that as an, and n we got, that is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So after doing all this, we are going to get the value of d as 40 divided by 7. Alright, then moving forward, let's get into the 11th question. Let's have a look at this 11th question. The question is like this: find sum of first 22 terms of an AP. That means they are asking S22. Alright, in which d is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Alright, let us try to represent this data. I mean we want S22. S22 is equal to question mark. Alright, d is given, that is 7, and 22nd term is given, so that is A22 is equal to 149. Alright, how to do this? Now S22 means I mean n value is known, a value we want, no? So let us try to find out a value. So A22 is equal to 149 means, can I write it as a plus 21d is equal to 149? Of course, definitely. So then a plus 21 into d value is 7, so 7 is equal to 149. Correct? So I am going to have a plus 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 2 is 14, so that is equal to 149. So the value of a is going to be 149 minus 147, so value of a is 2. Alright, now what I want, we want sum of 22 terms. Alright, so sum of 22 terms means Sn is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d is there. We have, apart from that we have one more formula, no? A plus L. Alright, so S22 is equal to 22 by 2, correct? Then a value is 2, so that is also known, plus L means what? L means last term, no? So sum of 22 terms means, don't you think this last term is 22nd term only? Sum of first 22 terms, look at this. If you are finding out, then last term is going to be A22 only. Already the value of A22 is given, so that is S22 is equal to, it becomes 11 bracket 2 plus, what is the value of A22? It is 149. Alright, you can use 2a plus n minus 1 into d also, but it is better to use this logic here. Then afterwards it becomes S22 is equal to 11 bracket, it becomes 151. Then easily you can multiply here. So S22 is equal to 11 ones are 11, 1 is the carry, 11 5s are 55, and 56, 5 is the carry, 11 ones are 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. So sum of 22 terms is going to be 1661. Alright, now let's move on to the 12th question. Let us have a look at this 12th question. What is this 12th question? If sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. Alright, what is the first term? Alright, what is the first term? Next they are asking one more question. What is the sum of first two terms? First two terms sum. Alright, so they are asking one more question. What is the what is the second term? What is the second term? All right. So one more question is there. Find third and tenth term. Tenth terms also. So many questions are being asked here. I mean, I have designed this question just to make it sure that you understand all the concepts. All right. Sum of n terms is given as what is given 4n minus n square. And after that, the first question is what is the first term? What is the first term means? You just find out for sum of first term. I mean, s1 means what? Sum of first term. So sum of first term means that is first term only. So s1 is equal to, it becomes 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So that is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. All right. So therefore first term is usually represented by a, and that is equal to 3. It's quite simple, no? All right. Now the second question what they're asking is what is the sum of first two terms? All right, first two terms means easily you can find out, no? So Sn is given already. Look at this. Sn is given. S2 is equal to, it becomes 4 into 2 minus 2 square. Just instead of this n, no, we have to substitute 2. Instead of this n square, again 2 square here. All right, so it becomes 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So sum of starting two terms is like 4. All right, so this is also done. Now what is the third thing they are asking? What is the second term? This is very important. All right, look at this second term. Let us try to have a logic here. Second term means a2, right? So a1 comma a2. So this is what they are asking. A2 equal to question mark. Now if you add this, what you will get? You will get s2, right? Now this is the first term, right? So first term means s1 only, sum of one term. From this s2, if you are subtracting this s1, don't you think you get a2? This logic is useful for all kinds of problems. For example, look at this a1 comma a2 comma up to, for example, you went up to let us take 9th term and then 10th term. If you add all this, what is this? This is s10, no? Sum of 10 terms. Now if you add these up to here, so it becomes s9, no? Sum of 9 terms. Now sum of 10 terms minus sum of 9 terms means what you will get? You will get the 10th term or not? You will get this, no? Similarly here also, sum of 2 terms minus sum of 1 term is equal to second term. Alright, sum of 2 terms is known to you. So what is that? That value is here. So that is 4. Already we got it, no? S2. So that value is 4 minus sum of 1 term means first term only. So that is 3. So that value also we got. Correct. So this is S1 only. Alright. So that is 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to A2. So easily we can say that second term is equal to 1. Alright. Now what they're asking one more question here. What is that? Find third term and 10th term. Alright, how to find third term and 10th term? You can use many logics here. You can find, already you have A, you can find out the D also. After finding out D, you can find third term and 10th term. Otherwise, you have other logics also. By using that also, you can do that. If you want to use this logic according to this equation, how to do that? Third term and 10th term they're asking, no? Third term and 10th term means what? Third term is like A1, comma A2, comma A3. This is the third term, no? So what you can do now, first term is known to you. So what is the first term? So first term we got here, that is 3. All right, first term is 3, comma second term is 1. Now how about the third term they're asking? Now can you find out the common difference? Common difference is equal to second term minus first term, that is equal to minus 2. So we got the common difference as minus 2. Now a3 is equal to, what is the formula? A3 is a plus 2d. All right, so what is the value of a? A is 3 here. So 3 plus 2 into, what is the value of d? D is minus 2. All right, I hope everybody is understanding it, what I'm trying to say. So then it becomes what? 3 minus 4, and that is equal to minus 1. A3 is equal to minus 1. You can look here, it becomes minus 1. How? 3, 1. 2 got reduced, no? Here also 2 will get reduced. 2 got reduced means 1 to 0, then 0 to minus 1. Then how about the 10th term? You can easily find out that also. So a10 is equal to a plus 90. All right. So a plus 90 means, what is the value of a? Look at this. A means first term, so that is 3. All right. So 3 plus 9 into d is minus 2. Already we found out that value d, minus 2. So it becomes 3 minus 18. So that is like minus 15. So 10th term is minus 15. All right, dear children, I hope everybody is understanding this. So if you haven't understood this, have a look into this once again. All right, so this problem, whatever I have given, please look into this one more time. I'm giving you this logic. This is very, very important. For example, I will give you one question here so that you can understand. Sum of first 100 terms, sum of hundred first 100 terms of an AP is, for example, 999, and sum of first 99 terms, sum of first 99 terms is let us take it as 900. All right, find 100th term, find 100th term. All right, let us try to understand this. Sum of first 100 terms of an AP is 999, means yes, 100 is equal to, what is this, 999. And sum of first 99 terms, 99 terms means yes, 99, and that is equal to 900. Now they are asking 100th term. 100 term means a 100 equal to question mark. Now finding the common difference, all that is, will be waste of time. Now look at this. A100 means it starts from A1, then A2, it goes up to A99, then up to A100, right? Now if you do this much, if you add all this from here to here, if you add all these things, so what is this? This is called as S100, right? So S100 is equal to, what is there? 999 is there. All right, it can be any value, no problem. Now here to here, if you do, what this is called? So this is called as S99. So S99 is equal to, what is there? 900 is there. Now we want 100th term. Look at this. What we want? We want 100th term now. So if we are in need of this 100th term, don't you think A100 is equal to, sum of all these 100 terms minus sum of these 99 terms, then I will be remaining with only 100 term. Correct, no? So I'll be remaining with only this 100 term. Correct, no? So yes, 100 is known to you. What is that? Yes, 100, 999. Let me put that 999 minus yes, 99. What is that? 900. So that's why it becomes 99. 100th term is going to be 99. I hope this concept is very clear. Now in this video we have discussed a wide range of problems, and this was a bonus. Usually this can be asked for 1 mark or maybe for 2 mark. So you should be careful while solving these kind of questions. All right. So if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Then share it with your friends so that good work reaches maximum number of people. And whatever you want to listen from us, comment down. And definitely the subscription what you give, that is a big motivation to us, and we'll keep on making videos of your choice. All right, so thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.